Israeli registered aircraft will overfly Saudi Arabia and after a non-stop flight from Israel land in the United Arab Emirates. The duration of the flight with a shortened route over Saudi Arabia will be approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes instead of what it would have been more than 7 hours up to now. At the end of this historic non-stop flight, the wheels of the aircraft with the flag of the State of Israel on its tail will touch down on the runway in Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Emirates. This will be another significant event in our history, just as El Al was, when peace was signed between Jerusalem, Cairo, and Amman. We are all excited and look forward to more historic flights that will take us to other capital cities in the region, advancing us all to a more prosperous future. Wishing us all salam, peace and shalom. Have a safe flight. Thank you. שלום לכולם, ברוכים הבאים לטיסה 971 מתל אביב לאבו דאבי. מדבר קברניט, שמי טל בקר. אנחנו שמחים לארח אתכם